Hello everyone, this is Pam from Pam's Plants. I'm going to repot this little Alocasia Dragon's Breath into a larger pot with soil. It's not really growing and I think it needs an upgrade. So let's get to it. It's in sphagnum moss and perlite. Very wet. It has roots, pretty good roots. Putting it into this 3-inch pot. My chunky aroid mix. I got this little corm, and I was so excited when it sprouted. I don't want to put it too deep. What do you think? I hope it grows a new leaf soon. It's been sitting like this for a while, but it looks like there might be a little sprout coming right here, or maybe that one. I don't know. Time to water. I think this is a better mix because that soil it was in had too much peat. Okay, and this should drain right through, which it did. And that's all there is to it. I'm really excited about this growing. I want a nice big alocasia. I decided to start with a corm because it's a lot less expensive. Okay, please like and subscribe, and thanks for hanging on during this video. I appreciate it. Bye-bye now.